The HOTO 12V cordless drill offers a unique digital torque adjustment feature, allowing users to select from 30 precision gears for a tailored drilling experience. Its minimalist and award-winning design combines ergonomic comfort with a sleek matte finish, making it both stylish and practical for extended use. With the innovative USB-C charging capability, this drill stands out by allowing convenient charging through a power bank or other USB-C compatible devices. Weighing just under 2 pounds, the compact and lightweight design of the HOTO drill ensures reduced hand fatigue and ease of use in tight spaces. The drill's brushless motor and 2000 milliampere-hour battery provide a quiet and efficient operation with a long-lasting performance, capable of handling 550 screws per charge. Including a versatile set of 12 bits, this multi-purpose drill is perfect for a variety of DIY projects, making it an ideal tool for both professionals and hobbyists.